What's up, guys? I just wanted to walk you through how to purchase parts. I'll use PC Part Picker, and I'll also use Newegg. You can use whatever one you like. I personally prefer PC Part Picker because it's just like it scours the internet for pricing and gives you different options, and it also includes some ratings in there, which is nice. So we're going to buy our most important part first. We're going to look at CPU, right? This is the brain, in case you guys forgot. You're going to see two different types of processors. You're going to see AMD and Intel. And as you can see, it says i9, i7, i5, Ryzen 9, Ryzen 7, Ryzen 5. This does not represent a core or how many cores they have. It's simply just a tier-based system. The higher the number, the better the processor is. Okay. So what you're wanting to do is you're going to want to take what your interviewee, I guess is a good word. The person you interviewed, you're going to pick parts based off what they said, and then give them a recommendation for a computer build. So all you do is you go in right here. Let's say you want the i7 because they want to be a nice gamer. You're going to look at these prices. You're like, man, Mr. X is kind of expensive. This is where all of the money pretty much is for your computers and the CPU. So you're going to pick whichever one you feel like is best. Remember, we're going to see speed here in gigahertz. We're going to see the watts it demands, which is the 125 or 65. All things to consider. So when you're on PC Part Picker, you're going to choose the same thing. You're going to go up to System Builder up here in the top left. You're going to choose a CPU, and then it pulls them all up right here. So what you would have to do is you'd have to have some knowledge about parts already in order to use this site. You can see a bunch of the ones we already looked at. You can filter by rating if you want, or you can filter by core counts, etc. Whatever you want to do, you can do, really. But just pick your parts within reason. So you're going to choose this AMD, theoretically. This will bring up all the prices of where you can find it. This will tell you like price history, and then a bunch of reviews down here. Cool. And then if you wanted to add this to your build, you would just click Add right here. So let's go ahead and click Add on the Ryzen 7, and it'll take us back here. You can notice that we now have an estimated wattage use right here, which is 65 watts. This is the best price and where to buy it. And then we can see all the other components we need. I just like how this one's laid out more. I feel like it's a little bit better than Newegg. But I mean, you guys can do whichever one you want to do. I'm not going to be particular about it. But yeah, so you just go through and you'll click each one. Remember, most of the CPUs come with a CPU cooler, so you do not need to purchase a CPU cooler separately. 95% of the time, sometimes you do. But you'll just go ahead and pick through everything, make sure it matches what the person you interviewed wants. And you can stop at optical drive if you're using this PC Part Picker. You can stop at optical drive. You don't have to do any of these bottom ones. They're just extra. So, cool. Have fun, guys. Make sure you browse, find the right parts. Don't just open this up and be like, motherboard, okay, yeah, this Tomahawk looks cool, let's do that one. Okay, storage, yeah, let's just do that one, that's fine. I don't want you doing that. What I want you doing is actually looking at the products and being able to understand what's going on and what it means. So when we look right here, you can see that the Seagate Barracuda was 2 terabytes, which means that it has 2 terabytes of storage, right? You can see that we want to look at speed, we want to look at processors. These are all very intricate details that are super important when building a computer, and I want you to start paying attention to those. Have fun, and I'll catch you guys next time.